right, what's going on, guys? So out with the old and in with the new. McLaren 720S is gone, and just picked up this 2016 Ferrari 488 GTB. No, I was not looking for this specific make, model, or anything like that. If you guys have ever watched anything from my YouTube videos or know me at all, you guys know that my primary focus is always getting the best deal possible, and that's how I came across this. It was actually an off-market listing is how I found it. I actually found it through social media, and like we've said before, this car was posted originally for $228,000, if I'm not mistaken. I made a cash offer and I bought it for $200,000. It had 4,200 miles when I picked it up. It had 2 previous owners, and as you guys saw from the video, it has a bunch of upgrades when it comes down to all the carbon fiber accents and kind of the dyed and tailored carbon fiber that this specific 488 offers. It's my absolute first Ferrari, and I would encourage you to do this, right? If you guys want to look a little bit more into them, try to find a 2016 or newer, right, Ferrari 488 GTB, not even with a carbon spec, right, even the base model, and try to find it for less than $200,000 out the door, right? If you buy it through a dealership, you're gonna have to pay a bunch of dealer fees and taxes, and when it comes down to private party sales, at least here in Arizona, you don't have to pay for taxes, so it's just $200,000 out the door, and I personally think that I could actually sell it for about $213,000 to $215,000. I'm really happy with kind of the spec. It wasn't my, first choice when I first took a look at it. It wasn't my, ideal spec, but the more I drive it, I see now why people just absolutely love Ferraris. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it. I am gonna be posting it for sale right away, like you guys know, right? One of the things that I really enjoy is, of course, owning supercars and driving them, but even more on top of that, I love spreading and kind of sharing the message of you never have to overpay for these cars, and if you do it in a smart and an effective way, you could actually buy them and sell them for a profit, just like many dealerships do. We're one of the youngest people here in Arizona to own and operate a dealership, but I actually did this private party, as you guys can all do as well. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that we earn your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you guys want to stay connected with like-minded individuals, we run one of the largest free Facebook groups with over 291,000 members, and that's that first link down below. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next one.